Okay, everybody, we're back. This is the coffee. We're going to give this a try, see how it is. I can tell you right now, it does not smell very good. Yeah, this doesn't smell too hot. Stuff's going good. See, so the package, let's see, how long did we leave it in there for? 5+ minutes. Hope somebody was watching the clock because I wasn't. We'll give it till 8:06. That'll be 5 minutes. And obviously, if you leave it in there longer, it's gonna be stronger. But who knows? Judging from the smell, I don't have high hopes for this. It's like watching paint dry. So this is a new Cook set. I don't remember why I picked it up. Nothing fancy. I wish the handle had better offset so you could actually use it as a cover. I mean, it works, but it doesn't fit tight. It doesn't matter if you put it this way. I mean, that's worse.